Isang mapagpalang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong news anchor para ngayong gabi, Miss Belinda M. Salayon, or pwede niyo po akong tawaging Sister Bell. Ang ating pong program ngayong gabi ay may title po na Moment with God.
Kung sa sarili ko lamang ako aasa at mananangan, sino kayang makauunawa sa buhay kong walang kabuluhan? Gayon na lamang ang pag-ibig mo, kaya ang buhay mo'y inialay upang ako ay mabuhay na kasama mo. Walang ibang dang susundan kundi ang iyong dang
So, tayo po
nilakad.
ay
Laging may
nag-air
sikat
every
ang
Sunday from
araw
7 to
sa
8
piling mo
p.m.
pang
So, ang schedule po ng airing natin every Sunday, huwag niyo pong kalilimutan, 7 to 8 p.m. At ang ating pong pinaka-mission or vision ng program na ito ay Living and Loving God. At sa ngayon pong gabi, nais ko pong ipakilala ang ating pong guest speaker. Isa po siyang teacher. Malapit po siya sa akin kasi na-witness ko po ang kanyang pag-grow mula sa kanyang pagkabata. Siya po ay ah, naging pong mentor naming mag-asawa kasi po sila po ay uma-attend sa aming church at ang kanyang pong magulang ay nakita namin kung paano po nagsikap upang sila po ay papag-aralin na masukan, nagbenta ng mga, for example, mga pwedeng gamitin sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay at kung minsan po namamasukan para meron lang pong maibigay na pangbaon sa kanyang mga anak. At nais po naming imbitahan kayo sa isang maiksing interview kay Miss Dana Latigay dahil maganda po itong inspirasyon sa mga kabataan sa ngayon. Sa ngayon po ay isa na po siyang senior high school teacher advisor sa Vincent's Pilot High School, Daet, Camarines Norte. So narito po ang
Hi
interview.
everyone, my name is Dana Jean Elmera. I'm one of the interviewees of Miss Belle Salayon as part of her requirements in her subject Developmental 206 under the Master in Developmental Communication at UP Open University. I will be sharing with you how I encounter and how God works in my life. So let me answer these three questions. Number one, what is life before you met Christ? I must say that the life that I had before was full of fear. It was so tiring. I felt like I was so pressured by everything. When I have a problem, it feels so heavy that I don't have any choice but to carry it all alone. How did Christ transform you? He transforms me every day. I need to be transformed by Him. He makes me humble that I really can't do anything without Him. And it makes me so dependent on Him in all aspects of my life. I am now living with His grace and love. And the last question would be, what can you share with a fellow youth who are struggling to meet both ends? The most important thing that you should know or you should do in this life is to know and trust and believe in Jesus Christ. Life is a combination of good and not so good experiences. But having Him makes us stronger and a fighter so that we can do anything. Do not be pressured. Do not fear anything. Always put your trust in Him no matter what. You surrender everything to Him and pray for His will. I hope that you get something from what I have shared. God bless everybody. Thank you.
So that's it. Thank you, Miss Donna. And that ends our program for today. Have a nice day, everyone, and hope you just tune up next Sunday for another episode of our program, Moments with God. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and blessing, everyone.